Genspark, which is a general agent, a bit like Manus, very similar to Manus, has released a new AI browser that gives you access to 169 open source models that run locally, automation of browser and workflows, agents on any page, and much more. Okay. Why is this in capitals? Because most of the tools you access will use hosted AI models in the cloud. Whereas if you want to maintain privacy over information, because when you send a query to an AI model, it goes up into the cloud and onto a server somewhere, which is obviously managed through another company. So if you wanted to actually maintain some degree of privacy and you prefer running local models, you can do that now with Genspark, which is really cool. It's got 109 models apparently. Let me see. You can see it operating here. So this is actually running on device, I think. It's an agentic browser, which this blue is seeing when it's actually operating a browser for you, navigating, completing tasks. And here we go. Let's pause it here. It's got this on-device free AI button, run AI models locally on your device, and lightning fast responses. Complete privacy with zero costs and no internet required. So if you get and download your model locally, you can run this at zero cost, which is big because if you are used to paying for Claude and OpenAI and paying for usage, or even using Claude Code, etc., and then using something like, I don't know, Stagehand or Browserbase to give it a browser or browser use, then obviously the costs can rack up depending on how hard you're pushing it. But this update from Genspark, they're allowing you to use local models, which obviously bring that cost way down because it's actually just running on your device. And you can see here, we've got a model selected. This is Qwen 3 4 billion instruct model. But yeah, this is just to highlight that you can do it on device. Next, not next, but we got local on-device models. Browser is basically one of the fastest and free way to use open weights models locally so you can chat offline and privately. Download genspark.ai/browser for your OS. Click the button on the new tab, on-device free AI. Choose the model you prefer. I recommend Qwen 3 4B Instruct or Gemma 3N 2B. If you have a less powerful laptop, you can start chatting offline. So you can actually pick through a wide range of models. You can see how this workflow works here. Okay, just going back. So when you select a model, it looks like it will look at the capabilities of your device, your laptop or your desktop, and it will say this might run slow because this model is 14 gigabytes, for instance. There's 12 recommended models, and you can pick one, download it, and then you can actually use it with this browser. That's cool, actually. That's a really good idea. It's a quick demo like we watched before. But yeah, you can swap them out. You can try them. E-commerce tools. You also have access to many tools on e-commerce sites. Find the cheapest, compare similar products, search for reviews, ask Genspark, whatever you want. This is just kind of demoing a use case. I think this is the browser. It seems similar in setup to Comet, but this assistant is obviously cloud-based, not local, whereas this is Ask Genspark, and it's got a slide-in tab here, which is then going to allow you to run local models, but with access to the internet. That's cool. Number 3, agentic tasks. You have access to a super agent on any page. For example, on YouTube, you can turn any video into a presentation. Genspark will understand the content of the video, prepare an outline, write the content for the slides, and design them from A to Z. So this video is looking at a video interview with Sundar, and then it's using the agent to create the deck. So that's great. 18-page deck based off of one video. I think this is sped up slightly, but if you pop it open, you can do this super agent. I'm not sure actually if this one is using a local model or this is just the general Genspark super agent they have, which has all these additional capabilities that come together to create the super agent. So this one, this feature, I don't think is running using a local model, just to give you the heads up. Okay, automations. You can use Genspark to browse, use, and analyze any website for you. Example, open the Google News website and check for the latest in video news and pull together all the key ones. At the end of its task, the agent even produces a report with all the information you need. Genspark to browse. I'm not sure this is using, again, this is removed on from the local using the super agent now. So your queries will be going up into the cloud to Genspark. But yeah, you can use this to take over your browser and perform tasks for you.